Greg at Underground Graphics. I just want to give you guys a quick video. We did redesign the Gladiator tailgate wrap. I wanted to show you the hardest part. This is the part that everyone's been asking us to build. The tailgate itself, we will offer that cut to fit, but you will still have to take off the Jeep emblem. We will provide you a stencil to reinstall that. We'll have to take off the camera. We'll give you extra wrap material to wrap that. That's the easiest part. This is the part, I'm going to show you what this is like. It's really not that big of a deal. Obviously, you have to take out your tail light, 2 bolts on the inside. Once those comes off, pops right out, unclip. I've got that in the bed now, and we're going to get this started. So I've got the template right to follow this body line. That's what you want to hit first. So we're going to do that first. I've got some pieces of tape already pre-cut for me up here. And just get this to where you know you're right on that line. And you can check that by just rolling this around, and it will follow that line. You should have about 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch overhang. That's what's going to tuck. So you can kind of come back and look and see where that falls. I'm pretty happy with that. Again, this is just a video to show you anyway, but so tape these edges. And make sure we're good with that. I'm good with that. I'm going to put 2 more here. And I'm going to take these back off. Now this vinyl is masked with an air mask, and it will conform to that vinyl, although we're not going to keep it on the whole time. The vinyl is 3M air release, so you shouldn't have any bubbles. Really easy to install. Peel back just a portion of that. I'm going to come back on this side. We're going to kind of just pull just top to where we were. Tack and kind of real lightly with your squeegee, get those edge, just get that edge down. Once we got that, we can roll in a little bit further, but that's about it. Come back around, take this tape off. I'll go ahead and turn that heat gun on. We know we're going to use this here in just a minute. Make sure you clean your area real good with alcohol. And right around that edge. Again, keep those edges tight. Edge, edge. I'm going to come in just a little bit. And you can come in almost to where this line starts. That's about as far as I want to go. I'm going to peel back that top layer of mask. Switch sides with me. And so what we've done, we've given you a relief cut in there, a hole. And you're going to use that to pull this part out. And go ahead and tack this down if you want. And again, it is air release, so just get that edge down. And you can feel already where that original line is. This is where we're going to use the heat gun. I'm going to switch sides with you again. Got a little bit warm. I'm just going to work that air Work that right up. If you get a wrinkle, don't worry about it. Pull it back up, give it a little bit more heat. Just warm, nothing too hot. And slowly. That's it. We're gonna cut all that excess off. You're gonna do the same thing along the top. If I remember, I think the top is a little bit easier. That's really it. The rest of this, if you want to get fancy, we can tuck some of that in. But again, that light's going to cover up a good 1/4 inch of that, and it actually comes back a little further in the back here. Again, that edge here, a little bit of heat, and that'll roll right in. And if you ordered the pinstripe option, I would suggest doing that wet. It's only 1/4 inch. You could also do that dry. That's also an air release. And just butt that right up to your edge. Cut and trim. And yeah, we'll go ahead and end that video here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call or email. Thank you.